transpose of a matrix. If Aij be m by n order matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging row into column, row change into column and column change into row of matrix A is called transpose of a matrix. It can be denoted by A dash or A T. Matrix 1, 2, 3, then transpose of this. This is one first column, then it A transpose first column become first row. Some properties of transpose of matrix. A transpose is equal to A. Transpose of a matrix and transpose of matrix is equal to A. K into A. Transpose of K is any constant. K comes out and A transpose. K into A transpose. A plus B transpose. Then it A transpose plus B transpose. Product of AB matrix. AB transpose, then B comes first and A last. B transpose into A transpose. Symmetric matrix. A square matrix Aij is said to be symmetric matrix if transpose of a matrix is equal to itself. Then Aij is equal to Aji for all I and j. For example, A is matrix of 3 by 3 order. This first row become first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. A is equal to A transpose. Yeah, A transpose equal to A. Then it is a symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix Aij is said to be skew symmetric if transpose of A matrix is negative of A. Aij is equal to minus Aji for all I and j. If I and j are equal, then it becomes Aii is equal to minus Aii. Taking out this side, 2Ai is equal to 0, Aii is equal to 0 by 2, 0. Ai means diagonal matrix. Both are equal, then diagonal matrix. This means that the all diagonal matrix of a skew symmetric are 0. In skew symmetric, diagonal elements are 0. First sum consists of 3 parts. First part and third. Second are not written. Transpose of A dash. This first column, it becomes first row. Transpose of 3 by 3 order matrix, A transpose. First row, it becomes first column. Second row, it becomes second column. Third row, it becomes third column. Second question, A is 3 by 3 order matrix. B is also 3 by 3 order matrix. First part, A plus B, whole का transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Second part, A minus B, whole का transpose is equal to A transpose minus B type. ये to prove both the cases. Second part, A minus B. A matrix is this, B matrix is. Subtract A minus B. Minus 1 plus 4, 2 minus 1, 3 minus minus plus 5, minus 1 plus 4, 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 minus 1, 4, 7 minus 2, 5, 9, minus 3, minus 2, 0. Now we find A transpose minus B transpose. A transpose. Changing row into column. Minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1. B transpose. Minus 4, 1, minus 5. 1, 2, 0. 1, 3, 1. Then put these values A transpose, B transpose here. Minus 1, 5, minus 2, 2, 7, 1, 3, 9, 1. Minus 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 5, 0, 1. Minus 4, 1 plus 4, 3, 4 minus 3 1 5 minus 2 8 9 0. Transpose of A minus B, left hand side. 3 1 8 4 5 9 minus 3 minus 2 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Similarly, we can do question third. Fourth question. A transpose 2 minus 3 1 2. B this to find A plus 2B transpose. Where A is found, then A transpose is equal to A. Transpose of this 2 minus 3 1 2. This is A. A plus 2B. 2 1 minus 3 2. 2 B minus 1 0 1 2. 2 1 minus 3 2. Multiply this by 2 minus 2 0 2 4. 2 minus 2 1 plus 0 minus 3 plus 2 2 plus 4. 0 1 minus 1 6. A plus 2B transpose. It becomes 0 1 minus 1 and 6. For matrix A and B, verify that AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. A transpose 1 minus 4 3. B transpose minus 1 2 or 1. Left hand side. AB 1 minus 4 3 minus 1 2 1. Multiply A into B. Minus 1 2 1 4 minus 8 minus 4 minus 3 6 3. Transpose of AB. Minus 1 2 1 4 minus 8 minus 4 minus 3 6 3. B transpose into A transpose. Minus 1 4 minus 3 2 minus 8 6 1 minus 4 3. So left hand side is right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. A is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Verify that A transpose A is equal to identity. A transpose cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. A transpose into A. Cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. A cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha. We multiply this. First row, first column. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Cos alpha sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Taking second row, sin alpha cos alpha sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. 1 0 0 1. This is identity matrix of 2 by 2. Seventh question, second part. Show that matrix A is skew symmetric. Then transpose of matrix A 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. Taking out minus common from it. 0 sign changed. 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. It becomes minus A. Then any matrix, transpose of a matrix is equal to negative of itself, then it is called skew symmetric. A is skew symmetric matrix.